Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making the Sauerbraten meatballs from the Betty Crocker Found Recipes Cookbook. I'll be starting off with 1 pound of ground beef, a half of a cup of finely minced onions, a third of a cup of finely crushed ginger snap cookies, a half of a teaspoon of salt and a fourth of a teaspoon of black pepper, and finally a fourth of a cup of water. Once the ingredients are all combined together, they get rolled into roughly 1-inch sized meatballs. Once all the meatballs are rolled out, they now need to go into a 400-degree oven where they'll bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until they're cooked all the way through and reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. While I'm waiting for the meatballs to come out of the oven, I'm going to go ahead and move on to making the sauce. And I'll start off by heating up a skillet and adding in 1 cup of beef broth, a fourth of a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and a fourth of a cup of crushed ginger snap cookies. As the sauce heats up, it'll start to thicken and the cookie crumbs have totally melted in to the sauce. So now I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of raisins along with the meatballs. Once the meatballs are all in, they just need to be tossed around and heated up in the sauce. Though these meatballs just came out of the oven, so I think I am ready to go ahead and get them plated up and give them a taste and see what I think about them. I've lightly garnished this with just a little bit of fresh parsley, and I am serving it over egg noodles, and now all I have left to do is dive in and try them out. I have to say the sauce has a really lovely sweet and sour flavor to it, so I'm going to be interested to see how it goes with the meatballs themselves. These meatballs are absolutely fantastic. They have a really good flavor to them. The ginger snap cookie kind of disappears. I'm trying to compare it in my head to the Sauerbraten I made from the Betty Crocker Lost Recipes Cookbook. And it had a more pronounced ginger snap flavor to it. Where here, the ginger snap is very subtle. It's almost become like a background seasoning note than a prominent in-your-face forward kind of flavor. The sweet and sour sauce is amazing. I absolutely love it. It's really well balanced, not too sweet, not too sour. And like I said, it goes really well with the meatballs. Overall, I would 1000% make these again, probably tomorrow. But that is going to be it for me for the day. So if you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you. And as always, thank y'all so very much for joining me today. Happy Walker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.